Gotta hustle, this LA, that's for sure. Okay, I'm sassy with the crowd. Say less if we ain't talking about the cash. My life, I put it all on blast. That's right, so I can show you the path. Now that's gang.
Okay, so we're here getting carnival food minus the carnival. They're having a foodie fest at the Rose Bowl and they're doing a drive-through. So we decided to come and see how we could be greedy.
That's excessive. Wow. Look at that corn dog.
Have a wonderful day, sir.
Thank you.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Danny. So over the weekend we had a gas leak in our apartment and it was a fairly big leak. Just want to give a heads up to everybody out there, if you smell gas when your stove or whatever is not on, to call and make sure that you don't have a leak, because after researching I realized that gas leaks, natural gas leaks, can cause health problems if it is a slow leak over a long period of time. So just want to throw that out there. But on the bright side, over the weekend I had some time to sit and talk to a Reiki instructor. I also did a discovery call with a Reiki master because I'm somewhat interested. I've always done yoga. If you've watched my vlogs, I've always been interested in doing yoga and any type of modality that brought me peace and made me feel centered. That's what I want to check into this month, is how to recenter and just do things that make me feel good and just some self-care stuff. Okay, you guys, speaking of self-care, I went out and I purchased this air purifier because I wanted to clean the air in the apartment after that natural gas leak. Your girl was not playing. I'm not trying to inhale that stuff. And I know that gas is lighter than air, so I just wanted to get it out of the apartment and just filter everything. And so first and foremost, I love the design of this air purifier. It is very modern, it is very sleek, and it's easy to use. So all of the icons on top tell you exactly what to do as far as using your air purifier. You can control the speed of your fan on it. You can connect it to Bluetooth, and you can even see what percentage your air purifier is at, so that you know when it's time to change it out. And then lastly, there is a small night light on it if you want to run it at night, so that you can, see at night, or if you have another night light that you use, you can maybe sub that out and use this one. But overall, I've been using it for 2 days and I really like the design, but outside of the design, I like the way that the air feels clean. And then lastly, my other self-care item that I purchased for myself was a frame drum. I already told you guys I'm into meditating. I do yoga, and a lot of times when I, back in the day, could go to a yoga class, I would go to a class where they were doing like ocean drums or singing bowls, something like that. It really centers me and gets me, relaxed and focused. And so I bought a frame drum, and then I also bought an ocean drum, which you don't see in this video, but I know that my neighbors is probably gonna be upset because I'm about to be in here meditating and banging on my drum. We are headed into ULTA to go and get some beauty products for my child because she needs some stuff for her face and her hair. The girly maintenance stuff. Honey. Don't even. I already know what a face mask are. Hi.
Okay, good. Where are your face masks? Are those your like peel off face masks? Like facials?
Over here. Did you have a brand you were looking for?
No, no particular brand.
I think, well, there's this little, like pack that has a bunch of different things, and then we have all these sheet masks. And I believe from Peel, there's some from Formula 10.0.6. There's the vitamin C brightening peel mask.
Did you want this kind, boo? This kind or the kind in the actual like?
That doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. So these are peel off masks too.
Yeah, some of them are mud masks, but
Oh,
they'll
okay.
say on them.
Okay, thank
You're
you.
very welcome.
So this is my first time doing any type of haul. We went to ULTA. Like I said, we had to re-up. It's not very often that I have to go to ULTA. Usually when I go, we are probably good for like a couple months. That's what I did this time as well. And I'm really just getting stuff like for our face, stuff for our hair. I don't know if you guys have seen the ULTA campaign that they have out for Black History Month, but if you have not seen it, you should go check it out. It is definitely a vibe. ULTA, I know, has been a strong supporter of Black women-owned hair brands, and so I try to go there if I can't order directly from the actual company. Like I said, because we were going here to pick up some facial products and other stuff, it's a great opportunity to also get our hair care products. Me and my daughter pretty much share whatever is purchased, but for the most part, a lot of the face stuff is for her because she's just on this face mask kick, taking care of her skin. So I'm happy about that she's starting early, because I didn't start taking care of my skin until well into my 20s. I'm glad that she's doing that now at 18. Because I told y'all I have an 18-year-old. So yeah, let's get into what we purchased from ULTA. I personally needed a like spin brush for my skin, a facial cleansing brush, and I have been putting it off and putting it off. I got one that was, you know, cheap, that I got out of the drugstore maybe like 3 or 4 months ago. And so this time I was like, I'm gonna get one that's actually a decent quality cleansing brush. I got one by Olay, which I used to buy Olay products back in the day. I don't know if I'm the only one, but Olay, my skin used to respond to Olay, especially their moisturizer, really good. But then something happened, something changed, where the moisturizer wasn't any good anymore. Like, it didn't do for my skin what it used to do, and so I stopped buying it. And so literally I've been experimenting with moisturizers ever since, because I honestly have not found one that works for me. Or I find them that they work, and it seems like they work temporarily, and then my skin kind of goes back to being dry. This is the Olay Regenerist spin brush, and none of this stuff is sponsored. This is just stuff that I decided to purchase on my own, and just to try it out and see if it works. And speaking of sponsorships, y'all, I have, and I guess it's because, you know, I'm a smaller channel. I don't have, you know, the pull or anything that the other channels have, but some of these people who contact me for sponsorships are hilarious. Just random things they want you to sponsor that have nothing to do with my channel. No, I'm like a micro influencer or vlogger or whatever, so you probably don't care. They just send it out to whoever. I don't need snow chains. I live in California, so just throwing that out there. This looks like, so it is the actual handled brush with the actual brushes too, and then some batteries. And it's kind of hard getting this battery thing off. How do you get this out? Do I squeeze it? Do I twist it? Girl. Anyway, you pull this mug out like this, and then you stick the batteries in. Top button is the power button, bottom button is the speed. So turn it on, and then you can change the speed. It sounds like there's only 2 speeds. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. I had to get my girl Natural 85's brand, the Twist Elongated Style Cream. And that is this here. Yes, yes. I believe I paid like $17 for this. Okay, so the smell, and I put a little cut in it so that I could just smell to see what it's like. It's giving me shea butter and cocoa butter, but let me see what's in it. Oh, it has cocoa butter in it, so that is definitely what it is giving me. So I can't wait to try this out. Even though I'm locking my hair, when I retwist, I do put a little bit of product. When I want to retwist and I want my hair to look really neat, I put a little bit of product before I retwist. Right now, I just have been doing literally a spray, leave-in, and go. I'll wash my hair, I'll condition it, and then I'll just put a spray leave-in. I'm just a dry person, so my hair is always dry. So I'm looking for ways to deep condition my hair and my hair actually retain the moisture. Ignore my dry hair. I did get this microderm wand. I'm not taking that out the box. But I got this because I just didn't want to have to keep paying to go get facials. So I want to see if I can do it myself. And I know that I always get a lot of like little, what is it called? Like white, kind of hard oil in my skin. And so I got that to see if I can cut down on that and cut down on going to the esthetician because they're expensive. And it was made in California. So we got the melanin leave-in conditioner. I also will be using this, but my daughter, her hair works really well with a good leave-in. So I want to check this out and see, you know, if it works for her hair. So I'm excited about that. Her hair is really thick. So yeah, I want to see if this product works for her. But yes, purchase the Melanin brand by Natural 85. Support Black women. I got the Thank God It's Natural hydrating shampoo. I got the rose water one. This one smells super good. I've used this before. I love the smell. It reminds me of something else that I used to wash my hair with back in the day. But yeah, so got this to use. And then I think that's all for the hair products. Everything else was for the face. She just wanted to try this out. This is just a face mask, strawberries and champagne, because she likes to pamper herself. French pink clay mask. So I have never used this before, but it's supposed to make your skin glow. Always here for some glowing skin. And then I picked this one, because it was a revitalizing peel-off mask. So we both have realized that we like peel-off masks versus the actual sheet mask. Like, I'm not a fan of the sheet mask. I'm really not a fan of the clay mask. But yeah, I do like, me and my daughter both like the gel peel-off mask. So the ones that just dry and then you just peel it off. I think that's it. We did get one other face mask, but I used that in the shower last night. So yeah, that's where it's at. And that one is also a skin brightening. Basically, it helps to tone your skin. And then I got some chapstick. So that's it for the haul. And hopefully, because listen, my daughter goes through hair products so fast. and hair products ain't cheap. So hopefully this will last for like a month or two. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? He got a doggone airplane pillow on. Every piece of merch the Buccaneers has ever sold. Why? What Super Bowl number is this? 50? Super Bowl 55. We're here for the Super Bowl, even though I do not care about football. I literally came for food only and to play Phase 10 again so that I can clear my name. Do you want to clear your name too? You just want to win? Yeah. I just want to win too.
I didn't mess up my name. I just want to win.
Who's performing for the halftime?
The Weeknd.
Oh, okay. That's decent.
Young with Spagnola again.